One thing about a smoky eye, it's gonna do it every time, baby, okay? You're gonna be looking so damn good with this look.
She wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby. Let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up. We finna go.
It was about time for a new get ready with me video, right? If this makeup looks familiar, I did do this makeup live on TikTok like a month ago, but so many of you requested me to do this look on YouTube. So here is the full tutorial for y'all. This look would be perfect for the holidays, especially New Year's Eve coming up, or any festive night parties. This is the old school makeup doll get ready with me. Everything is sped up. I've got music playing in the background, but I will have every single product annotated within the video, and I'll have it linked in the description box down below for you guys, as well as linked on YouTube if you want to check out any of the products that I use or purchase them for your night out. If you would like to see how I achieve this full look right here, y'all know what to do. Definitely keep watching.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby. Let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up. We finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like I'm feeling like the man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow. Yeah, you know me, baby. Won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. dad's only daughter. Do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics. Do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it. Don't make sense now. Give it a good. Put that on good when it gets hard. Stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that jump off my back. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Catch a break. Better way. Oh, working all day. La 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 la. He asked what could he do for me. I told him that my love is free. But can you match me? I can do it all for myself. Want you but really don't need help. So can you match me? I like luxury. I like fancy things. Shine on my body. Live like royalty. Treat you like a king. If I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody. Born to live in luxury. La 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 la. La 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 la. Lux. La 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 la. I'm serving rich Auntie Chloe B. I know my job is a blessing, but F you, pay me. Rocks on my wrist, fur on my feet. Setting the table in all the chic. Baby, come eat. I like luxury. I like fancy things. Shine on my body. Live like royalty. Treat you like a king if I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody. Born to live in luxury. I work too hard on my luxury. We come so far, boy. Luxury. Cover these scars and diamonds. Luxury. Every day I'm alive. It's giving lux, yeah. La 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 la. La 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 la. Lux. La 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 la. I work too hard on my. We come so far away. Cover these scars and diamonds. Every day I'm alive, it's giving lux. Yeah. La 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 la. Lux. La 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 la. Lux. You never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, 'cause when you're gone, I miss your face. Late o'clock, body it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart, issues left behind.
So here is the final look, y'all. What do we think? Would you rock this look this year for New Year's Eve or a holiday party or even a night out? This would be super cute. When you want to take photos, you're going to be looking so bomb, babe. Sometimes when I try to recreate my own makeup looks, they don't come out how they looked before, but this look turned out even better. I'm loving it. If you want to see more makeup tutorials like this one, y'all know what to do. Definitely give this video a thumbs up. So what do y'all think? Would you rock this look for New Year's Eve or any other night outings that you have planned coming up? Let me know in the comment section down below. If you have not already checked out my latest video, you'll definitely want to do that next to keep the party going.